Hey everybody, this is Phil with A1 Duct Cleaning. I'm in Fullerton, California. Give you a little view. So what I'm going to show you here is a chimney cap. First I'm going to show you, this is the chimney. This is the top of the chimney. This chimney actually has two flues. Typically there's one, but I wanted to show you something really interesting. This is basically how you secure a chimney cap into the chimney. You have this spreader bar here that goes in and you set it in there. Then you turn this butterfly screw right here and it spreads and locks it into place. This thing is super locked into place. And then what you're going to do once we're done is the cap goes on top and then you put these butterfly screws on. I'm actually here doing a chimney inspection. We didn't actually install these. I was just inspecting everything else. But anyhow, that is how a chimney cap installs onto a masonry chimney.